Good morning. It's almost 9 a.m. We're up and we need to go to CVS because I lost all of my bandages. And by lost, I mean I know exactly where they are at home in a bag packed next to my bed.
You did this to us. You did this.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
You made it. All right, Taylor.
We've done it.
CVS time. Beautiful. Hell yeah. 72 degrees, question mark. Bag acquired. Starbucks has holiday cups and it's November.
That's what brought it up. We saw people there.
We just see people working at the Starbucks.
There's no one there now.
It's 10:01, which means it's nap time. Isn't that right, Taylor?
I am a headache. I need to eat some more. We're all out, girl.
We're both hungry. We're all hungry.
Hungry.
Here's the makeup so far. I can't blink if I put my glasses up anymore, so enjoy from there. We're all bald. You look like a naked bull rat.
My rave outfit.
Oh my god! Oh my god. I can't feel any part of me. I can't breathe. I am fully in the fit now. Yeah, it's hard to breathe. Look how good we all look. Now that I'm filming the right way. Hey. We look like...
I could eat some like random shit on the street and be green.
That's probably sounds good to me.
That's a good joke. Okay. I'm doing too much.
More time. Perfect. Hey Nell or Autumn, do you want to join the lineup? Cannon
Eye
Heights.
level 2.
Yeah. Oh my god. That means we won't see those photos ever, right?
No, we're gonna have her take them on Taylor's camera.
My POV.
I was vlogging when you said.
Oh my god, yeah. That's eye level. Can you even see my face? If you look directly at me. It's just boobs, right?
It's just boobs.
Great. Top of you.
It's 1 o'clock and we're heading over to go to Como now. Also, I did my nails for the costume. They're purple. We actually made it to the convention, you guys.
Finally.
Who would have thought? There's normally a random dance in front of the stairs and it's so weird without it. We split up.
For the first time.
It's the tall and the short.
Again.
Again.
Throwback.
Oh my god. Yeah, we want to take the people mover and they want to walk, so
We're not messing this precious up.
it'll all fly out. It's not clipped in that way.
Yeah. It's holding on for dear life.
Literally.
Yeah.
I will see you soon. It's a secret. We're getting food and not telling them. If anyone tells them, I'm gonna be so mad. Fries and onion rings. They're wanting to know where we are. We gotta be fast, so bye. We made it and they didn't take any photos while they were waiting.
Oh, to be fair, you didn't tell us to.
I didn't think I'd have to tell you to.
To be fair.
Photo shoot's going well for solos. And it's windy again. I gotta run. Alright, let's go. Bye!
Here she is, signing up for the masquerade.
Successfully signed up for masquerade and we're headed to the photo shoot now. It's 3:25. Oops. We made it back to Kobo. Now we're just gonna meet the group. Pog. Photo shoot done. We're heading back to take off all of our clothes. I have to cut myself out of them. No, you have to cut me out of them.
You get the honor.
I'll be able to breathe again. It's 5:25. I'm out of the shower. All right. Nell and I are going to make food because I'm hungry. And Autumn's going to meet us at the show. So we'll see you there. Bye. Mac and cheese. going back up to the room now so you can do math and I can work on costumes more. So I'll see you soon. It's 7:45 and I added pearls to that much of the dress. Oops, that's it. I just realized the crown matches my outfit. Pink shirt, pink crown, makeup. Pretty cute. It's dance practice time on carpet. Just like the stage. Taylor and I are walking upstairs now.
I'm so just out of breath. And
It was like what, 3 flights? We're tired.
I know.
A very nice stranger gave us some beer.
The Gucci kind. This is the first like alcoholic drink I've ever had.
Really? It's
Yeah.
also cold.
It's so good.
Very
It's better
excited.
than Angry Orchard, to be honest. Oops, who said that?
Damn, thank you. It's 10:19 and we're taking a gluing break so I can glue more stuff.
That
Glue.
sounds sticky.
Yeah.
I'm uploading pictures.
Fun. It's 11:59 and Nella's helping me with pearls. Here's my face.
Remember this.
I will. I help you sometimes. My
Will be.
Yes, I will. I'm taking off my makeup now, even though it's really cute, and I don't want to. Oh well. See you in the morning. Good night.